Hi, I'm Clayton Franklin, founder and Chief Engineer of Electric Power Conversions Australia. We're sitting in a Caterpillar 777D dump truck. This is exactly the truck that we retrofit into battery electric. We're going to give you an idea of how much noise this truck makes when we start it up. So that's us running at idle. I'll bring it up to 1500. That's 1500 RPM. That's not top speed yet. And this is how much noise you get. You can see all the vibration as well, and probably you can't see is all the dust and shit. I'll bring it up a little bit more. That's red line now. As you can see, it's noisy, and a full battery electric truck is virtually no noise except for a small purr. In fact, we might put a beeper in to make people hear it. Thank you.